In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add leads in Freshsales effectively, and we'll get it done in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're adding a single lead or importing a batch of contacts, these steps will guide you through the process seamlessly. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the Freshsales website. Once you're there, log in with your credentials. If it's your first time using Freshsales, make sure you have your login information handy. After logging in, you'll find yourself on your Freshsales dashboard, where all the magic happens. Now, if you're looking to add a lead one at a time directly within Freshsales, you'll want to navigate to the Contacts section. This is where you'll manage all your contacts and leads. Once you're in the Contacts area, look for the Add Contact button. Clicking this will open up a form where you can enter your lead's details. Here's an important step. You'll need to provide the lead's information, such as their name, email address, and any other relevant details you might have. Don't rush through this part. Accurate information is crucial for effective lead management. If this lead is associated with a new company or account, you might need to add that account first. Be sure to check on this before proceeding to the next step. Once you've entered all the necessary information, go ahead and click Save to create the new lead record. This ensures that the lead is securely stored within your Freshsales database and can be accessed at any time for follow-up and tracking. If you have multiple leads to input, there's a more efficient way to manage this. Staying within the Contacts tab, look for the Import Contacts option. This feature is ideal when dealing with a sizable list of leads. Clicking Import Contacts will give you several options for importing your data. You could use a CSV file, an Excel spreadsheet, or even import directly from Google Contacts. After selecting your preferred import method, follow the on-screen instructions carefully. You'll need to upload your file and map the data fields, meaning you'll align the columns in your file with the corresponding fields in Freshsales. This step is crucial to ensure everything matches up correctly and your data is organized. And there you have it. With all these steps completed, you've successfully added your leads into Freshsales. This process helps streamline your lead management, making it easy to keep track of potential clients and optimize your sales workflow. Thanks for tuning in, and happy selling.